Hey guys, welcome back. Do you still remember last time we talked about its brother kind of, jiù, and today we're talking about 就是, even just with one character added behind it. It is very different. Let's get started. So the first way to use 就是 is to use it alone as its own sentence to indicate that you're stressing the tone, you're showing your agreement on something. For example, 就是说得太对了，就是说得太对了。It's like, indeed, you're so right. Your friend is saying something, saying some opinions about something, and you say 就是就是。Double it up, also to express your agreement, like indeed, exactly. The second way to use 就是 is to use in the middle of a sentence to represent the change of tones. It's a bit like but. 衣服好看就是太贵了。衣服好看就是太贵了。So the clothes is good looking, but it's just too expensive. 上海是个好地方，就是人太多了。上海是个好地方，就是人太多了。So Shanghai is a great place. There's just too many people there. And the third way is to also put it in the middle of a sentence to stress, to emphasize the tone. For example, 经典名著就是好看。So 经典名著 is classics, the classic books. So 经典名著就是好看。So the classics are indeed really good. 当领导的就是不一样。当领导的就是不一样。This is a great line to really make your boss happy because 领导 is the leader of a company, of an organization. So 当领导的 whoever is being the leader 就是不一样。So they're indeed very different. The next one to use 就是 is in a pattern. So we have 一 plus verb plus 就是 and then after that a certain amount of time or a number. 他一睡就是12个小时。他一睡就是12个小时。Once he sleeps for 12 hours. So in this case, it shows a subjective tone that you're indicating whatever comes after that is a lot, is a big number. So 他一睡就是12个小时 means that you think 12 hours is a lot. 我一吃就是3碗。我一吃就是3碗。So once I eat 3 bowls of rice. In this case, again, you're showing that I think 3 as a number is a big number in this case. And those are the common ways to use 就是。So next time when you see appearing in a sentence, you can try to characterize them into one of the cases that are mentioned in this video. That is today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And I'm Karen. See you guys next time. Bye!